Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Today's video is going to be a very quick one, so stay tuned. So yesterday I made a medium-sized tote, really gorgeous. And I wish I had it to show to you today, but I don't, because as soon as I aired the video, my sister called and said, I want that bag. She came and got it. So I don't have that bag anymore. But I did get questions about the process of making that bag. And the question in particular, and I got it from a multitude of people yesterday, was, what do you do if you can't find the rolled paper at Hobby Lobby that I used to make that bag? And I even got a comment that Hobby Lobby has discontinued selling those rolled papers. Well, I didn't know that because my Hobby Lobby still has them, but I guess once they sell what they have in inventory, maybe they won't be selling it anymore. So you might want to check with your individual Hobby Lobbies to see if they have it. But there is a way to make these bags, and there's always a way to make these bags or other projects that I do without using the exact type of item that I use in my video. So I used rolled paper. Does that mean that rolled paper is the only way to make these bags? No. You can actually join two pieces of paper together of various sizes to make whatever size bag it is you're wanting to make. Or you can do exactly what I did on this cute little bag here. I came out and made this bag this morning because I wanted to show you guys that you don't have to have conventional paper crafting paper to make certain things. You can use all types of paper. And as you can see, this bag is very gorgeous, very finished, front and back. A very finished, very gorgeous bag. I could brand it if I wanted to, but I'm not going to put a brand on it because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. But this bag, this brand would be perfect on this bag. And this goes to show you that you can brand anything. So how did I make this bag? Let me show you. It's really, really large. And what it is a roll of Christmas wrapping paper. All I did was cut off the quantity from the roll that I needed. And I used it to make my bag. And it was that simple. I didn't have to have rolled paper from Hobby Lobby. I didn't have to join two sheets of paper. I had immediate access to whatever size I wanted on that roll of paper. And you have the same accesses as well. Whether it's birthday wrapping paper, baby wrapping paper, just generic wrapping paper, quality wrapping paper is fine to use to make a bag. So go through your stash, go through your wrapping papers. When you're in the store and you see a wrapping paper that you like and you think, hey, I might want to use that for my brand, buy multiple rolls, because guess what? When you go back to look for it again, it might not be there. So, like I said, this was just going to be a very quick video with me showing you guys how I made this really cute bag using wrapping paper instead of scrapbook paper. And I'll let you in on a little secret. Years ago, back in the day, and for those of you who don't know, back in the day was on a Wednesday. I learned that from the comedian Dane Cook. Back in the day was on a Wednesday. So when people say back in the day, they're talking about a Wednesday. But back in the day, long before we had all of these beautiful papers to work with, I used to craft with wrapping paper and poster board. And so once the beautiful papers came out, I graduated from wrapping paper to beautiful papers, and I graduated from poster board to chipboard. So there is always a way to make that craft happen. And those are the tips and things that I want to share with you guys. Get creative, think outside of the box, make your crafting happen, and make it next level by looking around and using things you probably have in your house every day. So one quick thing, I got a question on when the large bag was going to be demoed. That is going to be next Saturday's project. So I'll be doing that large bag next Saturday. So y'all stay tuned. And I hope you guys have a great day. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.